warmood.ch is an outstanding online shopping destination that has completely won my trust and admiration for its exceptional quality, stylish product selection, and impeccable service. From the moment I first visited their website, I could immediately tell that warmood.ch is a brand that genuinely cares about offering customers a premium experience. The website itself is elegant, easy to navigate, and thoughtfully designed. Every product category is neatly organized, and each item is displayed with clear images and detailed descriptions that make shopping both effortless and enjoyable. What truly sets warmood.ch apart is the way it combines sophistication with practicality. The products they offer are not only trendy but also crafted with precision and care, ensuring long-lasting durability and comfort. Whether it's clothing, accessories, or lifestyle items, everything reflects a sense of refined taste and modern appeal. When I placed my order, I was amazed by how smooth and seamless the entire process was. From browsing to checkout, everything worked perfectly. My package arrived right on time, beautifully wrapped, and in perfect condition. Each item looked exactly like it did on the website, which shows how honest and transparent warmood.ch is with its customers. The quality of the products far exceeded my expectations. The materials felt premium, the designs were elegant, and the attention to detail was simply remarkable. You can truly feel that warmood.ch values craftsmanship and customer satisfaction above all else. What impressed me even more was their outstanding customer service. The support team was prompt, kind, and extremely professional, always ready to assist with any questions or concerns. It's rare to find a brand that maintains such a high level of communication and care for its customers, but warmood.ch goes above and beyond to make sure every shopper feels valued and appreciated. Their team made me feel like more than just a customer. They made me feel like part of a community that believes in quality, style, and trust. warmood.ch has easily become one of my favorite online stores because of how reliable, elegant, and consistent their service is. Shopping here feels effortless and rewarding every single time. The entire experience, from the website layout to product quality, packaging, delivery, and after-sales support, reflects excellence in every sense. I truly admire the dedication and professionalism that warmood.ch puts into every order, and I can confidently say it's one of the best online shopping experiences I've ever had. If you're someone who appreciates quality, honesty, and impeccable style, warmood.ch is absolutely worth visiting. It's a brand that keeps its promises, values its customers, and continues to impress with every single purchase.